Hello friends. Today, I am talking about a powerful superfood. Not just food, but a sunnah of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. A natural remedy that calms your mind, reduces anxiety, improves your sleep, strengthens your heart, fixes your digestion, boosts your energy, and supports your immune system. All in one simple bowl. This is Talbina. Let's understand not just the benefits. Number 1. Tension and anxiety relief. Talbina calms your mind because it contains an amino acid called tryptophan. This is converted in your body into serotonin, the hormone that controls your mood, your emotions, your peace. When serotonin increases, your stress starts to melt away, your thoughts slow down, and your anxiety fades naturally. Number 2. Better sleep. The same tryptophan also helps your body produce melatonin. This hormone tells your body it's time to rest. Your mind relaxes, your body slows down, and sleep comes naturally. No pills, no struggle, just peaceful, deep sleep. Number 3. Heart health. Talbina protects your heart because barley contains a powerful fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber forms a soft gel inside your gut and traps excess cholesterol, so your body removes it instead of storing it. At the same time, magnesium helps relax your blood vessels, and potassium from dates controls blood pressure. Result: cleaner blood, smoother flow, stronger heart. Number 4. Digestion improvement. If your stomach feels heavy, bloated, or uncomfortable, Talbina works like a natural healer. Its soluble fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, improves digestion, and makes bowel movement smooth. No irritation, no discomfort, just a light, balanced stomach. Number 5. Weakness and energy. Feeling tired all the time? Talbina doesn't give fake energy. It gives real, lasting strength because it contains complex carbohydrates, which digest slowly and release energy gradually. And when you add dates, you get natural sugars like glucose and fructose, so your body gets quick energy and long-lasting fuel. No crash, no weakness, just stable, natural energy. Number 6. Immunity boost. Your body needs protection every day. Talbina provides essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These help your body fight inflammation, repair cells, and strengthen your immune system, so you fall sick less often and recover faster. Number 7. Cholesterol control. Talbina doesn't just reduce cholesterol, it controls it at the root. Again, because of beta-glucan, it blocks cholesterol absorption and forces your body to use stored fat. Over time, your arteries stay clean, your blood flows freely, and your heart stays protected. Now, what is Talbina made of? Talbina is prepared from barley and often combined with dates. A simple combination, but incredibly powerful. How to make Talbina. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of barley flour. Add it to a cup of milk or water. Cook on low heat. Stir slowly until smooth. Add 2 to 3 soft dates. You can also add a little honey. When should you take it? For energy, take it in the morning. For stress, anxiety, or better sleep, take it at night. For weakness or recovery, take it once or twice daily. Consistency is the secret. Final thought. Now think about this. Something so simple, yet so powerful. It heals your body, calms your mind, and strengthens you naturally. This is not just food. This is sunnah. This is healing. This is balance. Start today and feel the change. Follow for more health tips.